I mean, next time if you come, it's $60. That's why
It
it seems all bit complicated.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
This is all bit strange. Okay.
Yeah, just have to look in here and get everything lined up. And you don't want these tight, just snug them up because it'll break the plastic.
Okay.
And then you have to pull the headliner down a little bit to get this in here.
Oh, okay.
So it's got this ridge on here. So you just
Sorry.
you're good. Put it under the headliner. Plug it back into here. And then you'll just twist it in place.
There's no screw, right? Over there?
Nope.
Okay. That's it?
That's it.
Wow. Because
Go into your service tab, go to maintenance, and then there's a windshield camera cleaning. Just record, confirm, you're good. So every time you do wiper blades, cabin filters, tire rotation, stuff like that, you can go in here, just click it, and then hit record, and then
okay.
that way you can kind of track it, keep an eye on it.